Good morning, everybody. Quick little update here for the July 4th holiday, kind of looking at tomorrow and even into the weekend as well. Generally, pretty typical July 4th for us across the region with hot and humid conditions expected for July 4th and even into Saturday and Sunday as well. Speaking of temperatures, on the left here is maximum temperature forecast for July 4th, and then on the right is the maximum heat index values expected on July 4th. Generally speaking, temperatures will get up to around 90 degrees with some highs there in the lower 90s, and then our max heat index values a little similar, but a little bit warmer into the mid-90s across the region for July 4th. Looking at the 3-hour temperatures here for several locations through the day on July 4th into early Saturday morning, you can see temperatures really peak there in the afternoon hours, and the max heat index values do the same thing as we would expect. So pretty warm, hot, and humid out there for July 4th, for the July 4th holiday. Precipitation chances is a big question mark the last couple days, but we're starting to see some more, basically feeling more confident in the forecast that we should be dry for most of the region, actually all the region, during the day on July 4th. And really precipitation chances do not move in until after midnight or so through the early Saturday morning hours across the area. So looking a little bit better there when it comes to rainfall and storm chances on July 4th, but then we have definitely chances continuing on Saturday and into Sunday as well for the holiday weekend. These two graphics here are the probability of precipitation greater than 0.01 inches, a hundredth of an inch, for 1 p.m. on the left and beginning at 7 p.m. on the right for July 4th. As you can see, chances are pretty much out across portions of central Kansas. They start to increase as you get into the evening hours across central Kansas, maybe some lower chances, about 5 to 15% or so across northwest Missouri and portions of northeastern Kansas. As we get into the overnight hours through 1 a.m. there on the left, you can see we start to see some increasing chances again moving into the northwestern portion of Missouri, northeastern Kansas, and then really that increases through 7 p.m. as more than likely precipitation chances begin to increase across portions of the Kansas and Missouri border regions. Looking at the rest of the weekend, beyond July 4th holiday, again, still pretty much hot and humid Saturday and Sunday as well. Heat index values will be in the lower 90s for Saturday and in the upper 80s on Sunday as we move through the weekend. Again, precipitation chances, looking at these again for July 4th, look pretty good. Not really expecting anything, should be fairly dry. And then chances increase again Saturday morning and continue on through Sunday. Not expecting any severe storms at this time, but we'll keep a close watch on it as we move through the holiday weekend. But definitely looks like we should see some precipitation for most folks as we move through the weekend. Thanks for watching the video briefing today. If you need anything, you know where to find us. Give us a call on the operations floor. We're here 24 hours a day, and we'll be here through the holiday weekend as always. July 4th, hot and humid, mostly sunny. July 4th weekend, still hot and humid. Often on thunderstorm chances beginning early Saturday into Sunday. Severe storms are not expected at this time, but again, we'll keep a watch on it. Anything else, you know where to find us again. Phone, NWS chat, Slack if you're an EM or public safety official. And the most up-to-date weather information will be found on our webpage. Thanks again. Have a great weekend. Have a safe and happy 4th of July.